Hey, where are you? What?
Tunnels.
I bet you just died. That was you. You killed me, bro. Well, hey, I ran out of bullets, so like... You still in tunnels? Are you still in tunnels? No screen cheating.
I'm in the tunnel.
No, you're not.
Mm.
How? I got the beam. Okay. I just died from black guy. Yo, bro, I got the Glock 19 with the switch. I got the Glock 19 with the switch. This black guy, though. Quit screen shooting. There's a black guy.
Did you just get dropped off?
Yes. Yo, this guy with the switch. That was me. Bro, I didn't even get shot once. You shot me once and I died. I got the Glock 18.
I got Glock 17 being done. I shot him in his head. How did he not die?
The guy in the gray?
Are you down in tunnels?
Yeah. I just died.
Ooh, I got hollows. You can't go through the hollows, right?
Who is this guy? Honestly, thought I was not recording, but okay. Where the heck do you think I was?
I'm not playing anymore.